Hey guys, Trina here, back with another acrylic pouring video. Today I'm going to be working on a 12 by 12 cradle board using the golden fluid inks mixed with the Liquitex pouring medium. So here I'm putting in the blue and I'm adding in pouring medium, the clear. I've learned throughout my little trials and errors that you need big puddles, work best for this technique. So there I'm adding in a little magenta and some more pouring medium, and then I mixed up this color with orange with the azo gold and a red color. So here I'm just adding in all of the paint that I mixed up. What I'm attempting to do is to create some really cool layers and adding in more of the just non-tinted pouring medium really makes these layers stand out, and it creates a really cool effect. So be sure and like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I apologize for my ring light casting a weird effect on the painting. I have moved it, so hopefully the next video that will be sorted. Here I am tilting, and you can already see the layers beginning to develop within the painting. I just think it's so cool how that works. I'm definitely going to be playing more with this. Tomorrow, after this dries, I will be adding in another layer, so you don't want to miss that video. Also, click on the link above to watch the last one I did on canvas. I probably am not going to be pouring these on canvas any longer because the middle of that painting sagged a little bit. So I think I'm going to stick just with the cradled boards. So here I'm adding in more paint, just whatever I have left over, and I'm going to tilt it some more. If you have any questions about this technique, feel free to leave a comment. And as I said before, like and subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot of these videos here in the future, and watch my experiments and see how they turn out. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye. to dark on these. So right now on this one, you see I'm working light to dark. The next one I do, I might try working dark to light, but yeah, it's really hard to tell. Like, it's almost kind of the fun part of it, that it's just sort of, it's not random, but it's, you don't really know how it's going to turn out. So you just sort of add in, you know, what you think will work. Adding in more pouring medium, mixing up a little bit more of this gray to make it a little bit more transparent. I need to go put my gloves on here. That's why we're sitting here waiting. And you can see I've sped this up a little bit. You can see how those colors are just starting to move on their own, which is sort of neat. So I got my gloves on. Now we're going to tilt and make some magic happen. And remember, if you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. I'm really enjoying making these, even though this medium is super sticky. As you can see, I'm having a little trouble getting it off my supports. So yeah, we're gonna tilt and see how the layers spread out. And I really like how this is coming along. I will show you in the end. The last picture that you're going to see is going to be after 3 hours of drying time, and you can see that it'll change a whole lot than what we have here. So I'm going to add a little bit more pouring medium in so we can spread out the paint a little bit and make some more layers on top, because I don't really like that big bold gray shape. And as always, again, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you in the next one. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.